Wow, is this a real mini clay frying pan? I'd love to eat this for breakfast.
Well, technically it's just clay, but it really does look appetizing, almost like a real breakfast.
Haha, if we keep making food, I'll have to make a whole fridge out of clay too.
Just don't mix it up and try to eat it. Clay isn't exactly the best diet.
But it's super cool. Let's keep making stuff. Maybe we'll end up with a whole kitchen. Nice! We already have the frying pan.
Yup, the main tool is ready. Now it's time to cook, well, sort of.
Wow, now we're coating the eggs with resin. They're gonna shine like real fried eggs.
Exactly. The glossy finish makes them look much more realistic, almost good enough to eat.
Haha, shiny eggs. I'd call that deluxe breakfast style. Now you need to dry the resin so that it becomes hard.
Well, that turned out really good. If you enjoyed it too, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, totally. And look, the little cow loves it as well. Aw, so cute.